The type of people who call us, HOAs in general, condominium board members, it can even be concerned residents. And so then we go down to apartment owners, apartment managers, and then commercial building owners that are concerned about their building. All of these various parties have similar needs, but they're all a little different, but they're all focused around a sick building. The initial phone call is free. Go to our website, j2consultants.com, and just schedule an appointment. Typically those are 15 minutes. We're not cutting you off at the 16th minute, but initial phone call's free. Tell us about your problem, tell us about your building, and we'll get to know you and decide if we're the right fit. The diagnosis process, you can do it a variety of ways. You start with a visual, then you can move to an invasive, but bottom line, we've looked at projects where you instantly walk on site and you can see what the problem is. You can get to the bottom of it. It's dramatic. There's other projects that you gotta sleuth it out. You gotta find that needle in the haystack, so to speak. But typical diagnosis process, anywhere from 1 day to 2 months. We have 3 geographic offices, primarily in the West United States, in Seattle, Portland, and Salt Lake City. And we work in Alaska, and Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, all those places. But we're finding we can, in today's technology and video conference, simply using your phone and walking around in something similar to a Skype or a Zoom or a FaceTime application, you can show us your problem real fast, and we can look at it on the big screen and be able to start putting those pieces together even before we arrive on site. So it works very well. We can work around the nation in that standpoint, and then tell you, here's what we would do, here's what our proposal would cost, here's how we can get into that, and then you can even start doing some of this yourself and pull that off. And once that's pulled off, call us again and let's see what's underneath it.